They look so happy. They don't know yet.
Wait, Angel, hold on, guys. Listen.
What?
We ate all your Halloween candy yesterday. Mom, I'm serious.
What, Mommy?
We were talking and we ate all your Halloween candy. Look,
Are you
Ayla.
serious? Are you serious?
What is
Nice.
Look, Ayla, your basket is empty. All your candy is in Mommy's belly.
Not fair. Man, you ate my favorite candy.
Your favorite candy is lost in your tummy.
It's lost in my belly. It is.
But I
I can't believe this.
Are you
Man.
mad at me?
Yes, we are mad at you.
Oh, that's a mad face.
You mad? I'm mad too.
Which candy is your favorite, Ayla?
I don't know if it's in Mommy's tummy.
Oh, sorry. There's always next year. We could do it again next
No.
year.
And that was a big problem because you had my favorite candy. Those are big bars. I'll work hard for that in the cold.
And the Twix was the
The
best
cold.
candy too. And the Gushers.
What? You ate the Gushers too? That's my favorite candy. Oh,
They're all
I
gone.
cannot believe it.
all
I can't believe it. I will never forgive you.
Hate it.
You wanna go trick or treat again today?
Yes, Mommy.
No.
That's for next year.
Take that.
All right, guys. We're just kidding.
What?
Ha ha
Wait,
You want your candy?
ha.
Can you open this menu?
Yep. Wait, you gotta eat breakfast first. Say yummy.
Open that.
Breakfast time.
Breakfast time. Oh, look, some black candy.
Okay, come on.
Stickers.
It's breakfast time now.
Candy.
Say hi, Jimmy Kimmel.
Say hi, Jimmy.
Hi, Jimmy Kimmel. What's up, man?
What's up, man?